Hey guys, if your Android phone is receiving calls but nothing appears on the screen, don't worry, this is a fairly common software issue and can usually be fixed in a few simple steps. Follow this guide carefully to restore your incoming call screen normally. First, you should clear the phone app cache and data. Sometimes temporary files inside the dialer app get corrupted, which prevents the incoming call interface from loading properly. To do this, open your Settings app, then go to Apps or App Management. From the list, find and select the phone app. Tap on Storage. You will see two options here: Clear Cache and Clear Data, or Clear Storage depending on your device. Start by tapping Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data and confirm by selecting Delete. Don't worry, this will not remove your contacts, but it will reset the app settings and refresh the calling interface. Next, make sure the required permissions are enabled for the phone app. Without proper permissions, the system may block the incoming call pop-up from appearing on your screen, especially when you are using other apps. Go back to the phone app info page, then open permissions. Allow all necessary permissions, especially phone, contacts, and display over other apps if available. After that, check your notification settings. If notifications are turned off, your device may still receive calls, but the screen will not wake up or show caller information. In the phone app settings, tap notifications and ensure the toggle is turned on. Also, allow all call-related notification categories for full functionality. Another important step is to disable Do Not Disturb mode. This feature can silence calls and sometimes prevent visual alerts from appearing. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. Look for the Do Not Disturb icon. If it is active, simply tap it to turn it off. Finally, restart your phone to apply all changes properly. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. If the problem still continues after trying everything, you may need to contact your device support provider or check for a system update to resolve deeper software glitches.